Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jab and cross. Keep your hands up and chin tucked as you step with the front foot, extend the lead arm straight, and snap the jab back to guard immediately. Focus on speed over power to build timing, and use the shoulder to protect your chin on impact. Practice 3 short sets of 10 reps, staying relaxed and breathing naturally throughout the drill. In this video, I will show how to jab and cross. For the cross, rotate your hips and pivot the rear foot, driving the rear hand straight at the target while your lead hand stays high. Transfer weight smoothly from back to front and keep your chin tucked behind the shoulder on impact. Practice slow reps to groove the mechanics, then increase speed while keeping hands tight and breathing steady throughout the set. In this video, I will show how to jab and cross. Combine a quick jab with a strong cross to learn rhythm and distance, varying between single jab, double jab, and jab, then cross to develop unpredictability. Focus on snapping hands back to guard after each punch and stepping to reset range. Work on shadow boxing, mitts, and light bag rounds to build timing, power, and defensive habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.